Now that you got all of your edge pieces lined up, our next goal is to make this entire top face yellow. Okay, so it's going to look something like this. See, all my middle edges are lined up and it's yellow on top. That's our goal. So in order to do this, it's going to go something like this. You're going to flip the cube completely over. So yellow's on the bottom and white's on top. Alright, and what you're going to do is you're going to do the first algorithm I showed you, R, U, R prime, U prime, until yellow is facing down on the corner here that's on the right side. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that until this one has yellow facing down. Now it's going to seem like it's going to mess the cube up, but I assure you, once you fix all three, the cube will return back to the way it was up here. Okay, so let's fix this one. R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. There. Now yellow's facing down. Alright, now keep it exactly how it is, and just like I mentioned earlier, make sure you did that last U prime, because this is where it comes into play. Now that this is facing down, we're going to turn this the bottom layer by itself to the next corner and line it up in this spot where you were performing this algorithm. Now we're going to do it until this one's fixed. R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. Okay, that one's fixed. It's facing down. Now we're going to turn the bottom layer again and fix this last one. And then after we fix this last one, the rest of it should be returned back to normal. R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. See that? It's returned back to normal, and now you have yellow on the entire top layer. And all your centerpieces are lined up. Now that you have yellow on your entire top layer, you want to make sure all your centers are lined up. Okay. The next step, you have to learn one more algorithm and it'll fix the rest of the corners. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to look on this top layer for any matching corners. Okay, like on this cube we have matching blue, but none of the other ones match up. Okay, on this one we don't have any that match up. If you come across this case, do the algorithm I'm about to show you and you'll end up with this case, and then you only have to do the algorithm 1, 2, maybe 3 more times, but it's the same algorithm and it'll fix them all. Okay, so here's the one with no corners, so you can hold it, doesn't matter which way you have it turned, just turn it so that the white is facing you and that the yellow face is on the back, and do this algorithm. R2, D2, R, U, R prime, D2, R, U prime, R. Okay, and now if you look, I have a matching headlights now. You look around the rest of the cube, none of them match, just these ones. So now what you want to do is you want to do the same exact algorithm, but turn it, and you want the headlights, you want the matching corners, they call them headlights, to be on the right side. Hold the cube so it's facing you, the white. Look, make sure, yep, these are on the right. Do R2, D2, R, U, R prime, D2, R, U prime, R. And now all the corners match. So let's do it again. R2, D2, R, U, R prime, D2, R, U prime, R. Now let's look. Yep, here's 2 that match. Make sure your centers are lined up. It's on the right side. R2, D2, R, U, R prime, D2, R, U prime, R. And there it is. Now it's solved. On the right side, D2, R2, D2, R, U, R prime, D2, R, U, R prime. Solved. And that's it. Now if you did it correctly, you should have a solved cube. And by my count, you only have to learn 5 algorithms to do this. So I hope that this has been helpful for you. I hope it was easy to understand. If you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to ask. and have fun. It's definitely a skill that not a lot of people know how to do, and it will definitely impress some of your friends. So have fun.